Hello friends, I wish you all a happy and healthy day. Welcome to the Outdoor Chef channel. Today, we're going to prepare an incredibly delicious zucchini pizza. But before we get started, a quick reminder. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and comment where you're watching from. Every comment and like means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. Thanks to your support, we'll keep sharing more tasty recipes. If you're ready, let's get started. Keep grating until all the ingredients are done. This mixture is essential and forms the foundation for making delicious pizzas. Wash the fresh parsley, mint, and dill thoroughly beforehand, then dry them well. Finely chop all of them. These aromatic herbs add an essential layer of flavor to the pizza dough. Place all the grated vegetables in a separate bowl and squeeze out the excess water thoroughly using your hands. This step is very important to maintain the right consistency of the pizza dough and to prevent the vegetables from making it soggy. Don't forget to like the video and let us know in the comments where you're watching from. Join our kitchen family. Add a fresh mixture of parsley, mint, and dill to the vegetable grater for a flavorful and refreshing taste. Add grated cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese to give your dish a creamy texture and rich flavor. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour to balance the consistency of the mixture, then add 3 eggs to enhance the flavor. Add 1 packet 10 grams of baking soda to help make the mixture lighter and fluffier. Add freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavor. Add salt to balance the flavors and enhance the taste of the dish. Make sure to mix the entire vegetable pizza dough thoroughly. This step is really important. Ensuring that each ingredient is fully incorporated will give your pizza the perfect consistency and flavor. When mixing the dough, make sure each component is evenly distributed, so every bite will offer the same great taste. If you followed the recipe up to this point, I would appreciate a like. It motivates us to create more content, and seeing your support makes us really happy. Grease a pizza pan or baking tray, or line it with parchment paper. Add enough of the vegetable dough on top and spread it evenly over the entire tray in a thin layer. Use a spatula to gently smooth the surface, ensuring the dough is evenly spread. This will help the pizza dough cook uniformly and achieve a perfect texture. Preheat the oven to 240 degrees Celsius and bake the pizza dough for about 15 minutes. Once the edges of the dough begin to turn golden, remove it from the oven. This will give your pizza dough both a crispy and soft texture. Take it out of the oven. Spread the pizza sauce on top, and if you like, you can also add some hot sauce, especially if you enjoy spicy flavors. This step will not only add flavor to your pizza, but also enrich the dough with the aroma of the sauce. Sprinkle grated mozzarella cheese on top of the pizza sauce or add your favorite cheese varieties. Personally, I chose to add sausage, sukuk, tomatoes, and green peppers on top. These ingredients not only enrich the flavor of the pizza, but also provide a perfect color and texture. Bake the pizza for an additional 10 minutes in the oven until the cheese melts and everything is golden and bubbly. Our pizza is now ready to serve. Slice it up and enjoy. It's both delicious and healthy. Now, let's move on to our second pizza. This time, we'll be making it without any meat products, using only vegetables. Stay tuned and keep watching. Grease a pizza pan or baking tray, or line it with parchment paper. Add enough of the vegetable dough on top and spread it evenly over the entire tray in a thin layer. Use a spatula to gently smooth the surface, ensuring the dough is evenly spread. This will help the pizza dough cook uniformly and achieve a perfect texture. Bake the pizza dough in the oven for about 15 minutes. When the edges start to turn golden, remove it from the oven. This way, your pizza dough will have a crispy yet soft texture. Take it out of the oven. Generously spread pizza sauce on top and use a brush to evenly distribute it across the entire surface. This step is important to ensure a balanced flavor in every bite. Make sure the sauce reaches the edges so the crust stays moist and flavorful. Generously sprinkle pizza cheese on top. I added colorful peppers, cherry tomatoes, and corn, but you can prepare your own vegan pizza by using the toppings you like. Finally, bake it again in the oven until the toppings are well cooked. Serve hot and enjoy. If you've watched our video this far, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support us. With your support, we're growing every day and bringing you new recipes to enjoy. We'd love it if you could leave a comment letting us know which city or country you're watching from. Let's see how big and diverse our family really is. Remember, we are on this beautiful journey thanks to you. See you again in our next recipes. Stay healthy, happy, and full of love. By exploring our other recipes on the Outdoor Chef channel, you can immerse yourself in a world full of incredible flavors. From various international recipes to boat kitchen cooking and unique dishes cooked over a campfire, we have it all. Join us on this journey filled with recipes that cater to every taste and make a difference in your kitchen.